pag-uusapan natin ngayon, no? Sa kasawiang palad po. Ayan. Siguro by this time nabalitaan nyo na sinuspindi na po ng House of Representatives. Ito pong ating hinahangaan na millennial congressman na si Kiko Barsaga. Ayan. At to the rescue ang isa pang hinahangaan natin na isa pang millennial millennial ba tawag sa kanila ba? O Gen Z. Gen Z pala, Gen Z. Gen Z congressman na si Leandro Libiste, no? Pinagtanggol po sa floor itong si Kiko. At ang masakit pa po nito, pinagpatayan pa po ng mikropono si Kiko Barsaga. Grabe talaga tong House of Representatives. Sinuspindi nyo na, habang ina-accept po ni Kiko. Siyempre mag-i-speech ka kung anong masasabi mo, no? Habang ina-accept po ni Kiko yung kanyang suspension, akalain po ninyo na sinuspindi. Sinuspindi. Inano yung mikropono? Pinagpatayan pa po ng mikropono. Grabe talaga dyan sa House of Representatives. Antitindi ng mga tao dyan. Yan po ang mga pag-uusapan natin. At saka si Kiko di pala. Inamin, no, kung bakit sila nagrarally. Galit pala yan kay Sara Duterte. Kaya pala ang gusto. Gen Z sila, ayan. Kaya pala ang gusto gusto nila mapag-resign si Sara Duterte. Pero yun yung nagrarally kayo dahil ayaw nyo lang. Ayaw lang ng mga Aquino kay Sara Duterte. Okay, yan po mga pag-usapan natin, no? Siguro mas maganda pakinggan natin yung ano yung naganap, no? Dito sa floor. Dito mahaba po tong speech nito. Bakit po tinanggal si Kiko Barsaga para ma-shortcut na lang po at doon na po tayo sa hatol. Pero ito po yung naging kasi pagkatapos po nito magbobotohan po sila. Pagkatapos po ng speech na to at ito po ang boto. Inadapt po kasi ito ay committee on anong tawag dito? Si Abalos po yung nagbasa na nirecommend ng committee, ng ethics committee, suspendin si Barsaga ng 60 days, no? So ito po ang naging botohan. 249 lawmakers voted in favor of adopting the committee report, 5 voted against it, and 11 abstained. Tambak po, talagang matindi to. At ang malupit pa nito, mamaya makikita nyo po kung paano pagpatayan po ng mikropono. Ito po yung mga inilatag nilang dahilan bakit sinuspindi nila si Kong Kiko. Ito po yung mga dahilan kung bakit po sinuspindi si Kiko Barsaga. Isa po yung non-acting in a manner that reflects creditably on the House. Hindi raw po siya umaakto na credible. Kumbaga, dahil po sa kanya, napapahiya ang kanyang mga mandurugas na mga baliktad eh. Alam niyo po, sa totoo po, si Barsaga na lang po ang nagbibigay po ng kredibilidad, no? Sila na lang ni Leandro Libiste nagbibigay ng kredibilidad sa inyo. Tapos sasabihin niyo na umaakto siya na parang walang kredibilidad. Baliktad po yata. Okay. Ano pa po ang dahilan kung bakit po sinuspindi? Engaging in acts contrary to law, good morals, customs, and public policy. Ibig nyo sabihin, lumalabag sa batas? Si Congressman Kiko Barsaga? At ikatlo po, conduct that incites seditious activities. Bakit hindi nyo nalang kasuhan? Lahat na ibinintang nyo na kay Kiko Barsaga, bakit hindi nyo nalang kasuhan? At ikaapat po, conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service and unbecoming of a member of a Congress. Alam nyo po, mas maganda po yung mula po sa yung pagtatanggol po ni Leandro Libiste mamaya. Mapapakinggan nyo po, paparinig ko po sa inyo. Mas maganda po na sila na lang po, yung mga batang congressman na lang po ang pakinggan natin. At tinitiyak ko po sa inyo na talagang masusulitan po. Yung mga bumoto sa mga congressman na to, mga batang congressman, masusulitan po kayo. Yan lang po ang matitiyak natin. Pakinggan na po natin. Ito po yung suspension po, yung formal na suspension at yung speech na hindi natuloy ni Kong Barsaga dahil pinagpatayan po siya ng mikropono.
His deliberate choice to retain certain lewd, unprofessional, and inappropriate photos clearly shows bad faith. Respondent's conduct simply does not reflect the kind of principles and ideals the public expects of a public official, particularly a member of the House of Representatives. Mr. Speaker, after a thorough deliberation on the case, the committee finds that the actions of Rep. Barsaga in posting incendiary social media content through his Facebook accounts and in retaining and failing to remove publicly viewable, inappropriate, and indecent photos to be unparliamentary and unbecoming of a House member. Taken in their entirety, the actions of Rep. Barsaga bring contempt, discredit, and disrepute to the name of the House of Representatives. His actions reflect negatively upon the dignity, integrity, and reputation of the House of Representatives.
Antindi oh. Yung action daw po ni Kiko Barsaga ay nakakawalang dignidad. Talaga. Higit pa sa pagnanakaw ng mga congressman. Antindi nyo. Nakakawala daw po ng dignidad sa mga magnanakaw na congressman yung ginagawa ni Kong Kiko. Anak ng tinapay yung mga magnanakaw na congressman. Ha? Ay mas importante pa. Mas pinahalagaan nyo pa yung dignidad. Ang ginagawa po ni Kong Kiko, nilalantad niya po yung mga pinagagawa nyo sa Congress at saka yung ginagawa ng gobyerno natin sa mga Pilipino. Antindi. Talaga, ang nakakawala ng dignidad ng mga congressman yung ginagawa ni Kong Kiko, ibig sabihin, ngayon lang po naging congressman yan eh. Ibig po sabihin, bago po siya naging congressman. Yung kayong mga sa Congress, kagalang-galang kayo. Kasi sinasabi nyo na nakakawala ng dignidad yung pinagagawa ni Kiko. Ibig sabihin po, ang taas-taas ng tingin sa inyo. First time congressman, kung di ako nagkakamali, first time congressman. So ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga congressman bago po si Kiko Barsaga ay napakataas po ng inyong dignidad. Tindi, tuloy po natin.
As an institution of the members of the House individually and collectively. Consequently, the committee finds respondent Representative Kiko Barsaga of the 4th District of Cavite guilty of disorderly behavior by violating Section 141A Rule 20.
Okay, natuklasan po nila na they find Kiko Barsaga guilty. Guilty po sa ginawa nilang investigasyon. Sige, tuloy natin.
Of the Rules of House of Representatives, 4C of RA 6713, or the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees, and by engaging conduct unbecoming of a member of the House, and recommends the imposition of the penalty of 60 days suspension from office without the benefit of salaries and allowances during the period of suspension, with a stern warning that repetition of similar misconduct will result to a more severe disciplinary action.
Suspended po ng 60 days itong si Congressman Kiko Barsaga dahil daw po sa mga pinagagawa niyang pagpo-post ng mga makatotohanan na post dyan po sa kanyang Facebook page. Grabe po. Sige, tuloy natin.
In addition, Mr. Speaker, the committee recommends that the respondent Barsaga be directed to remove all 24 social media posts subject of this case within 24 hours from adoption of this report in the plenary. Mr. Speaker, let this be a reminder to all the members of the House of Representatives that as trustees of the people, we are expected to conduct ourselves in a manner that would reflect the dignity of our position in society and in public service. Let us be more circumspect in our acts and words and be mindful of the high standards of propriety required of us as legislators. Maraming salamat, Mr. Speaker.
Tandaan nyo po yung sinabi niya. Ulitin lang natin ng konti.
Representative. Mr. Speaker, after a thorough deliberation on the case, the committee finds that the actions of Rep. Barsaga in posting incendiary social media content through his Facebook accounts and in retaining and failing to remove publicly viewable, inappropriate, and indecent photos to be unparliamentary and unbecoming of a House member, taken in their entirety, the actions of Rep. Barsaga bring contempt, discredit, and disrepute to the name of the House of Representatives. His actions reflected negatively upon the dignity, integrity, and reputation of the House of Representatives as
Dignity and reputation. Yung action daw ni Barsaga ay nakakasama sa dignidad at reputasyon. Alam nyo po, eto magtapatan na po tayo mga congressman. Ang reputasyon po ninyo at dignidad nyo po, hindi po nakasalalay sa mga pinopost ni Kiko Barsaga sa kanyang Facebook. Ang inyo pong reputasyon, kaya po nasisira ngayon dahil sa pinagbibintangan po na yung mga pinuno ninyo, partikular si Martin at saka si Saldico, ay kasama o mga mastermind ng pagnanakaw sa gobyerno. At mga kapwa nyo congressman ay tinataguri ang contractor. Yan po ang nakakababa ng inyong dignidad at reputasyon. Hindi po yung pinopost ni Kiko Barsaga. Nagpost lang eh. Kayo po ang pinagbibintangan ng mga magnanakaw. Bagamat hindi ka kasama Abalos. Hindi ko alam kung first timer din to si Abalos. Hindi ka pa naman nasasama dyan. Yung mga master mo dyan sa Congress, sila yung pinagbibintangan na pinaka utak ng pagnanakaw. Doon kayo nasisira, hindi yung reputasyon nyo nasira ni Kiko Barsaga. Kahit wala si Kiko Barsaga, sira ang reputasyon nyo dahil kayo ang pinagbibintangan na mga nagnakaw ng pondo ng taong bayan.
an institution of the members of the House individually and collectively. Consequently, the committee finds respondent Representative Kiko Barsaga of the 4th District of Cavite guilty of disorderly behavior by violating Section 141A Rule 20 of the Rules of House of Representatives, 4C of RA 6713, or the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees, and by engaging conduct unbecoming of a member of the House.
Ito tandaan nyo sabi niya conduct unbecoming of the member of the House. Mamaya po yung gagawin nila kay Kiko Barsaga. Yun ba ang conduct ng isang mabuting congressman?
And recommends the imposition of the penalty of 60 days suspension from office without the benefit of salaries and allowances during the period of suspension, with a stern warning that repetition of similar misconduct will result to a more severe disciplinary action. In addition, Mr. Speaker, the committee recommends that the respondent Barsaga be directed to remove all 24 social media posts subject of this case.
Kita mo mga diktador, inuutusan nyo. Yun po, personal niya po yun, hindi po nyo official yan. Personal po niya na Facebook page yung pinatatanggal ninyo. Yung Facebook po, hindi po pag-aari ng gobyerno. Personal po yan. Na pag-aari o page po yan ni Congressman Kiko Barsaga. Hindi po yan page ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Kaya nakikita nyo na po kung saan po papunta yung ating kung saan po papunta tong gobyerno na to. Tuloy natin, Abalos.
Within 24 hours from adoption of this report in the plenary. Mr. Speaker, let this be a reminder to all the members of the House of Representatives that as trustees of the people, we are expected to conduct ourselves in a manner that would reflect the dignity of our position in
Trustee of the people in a manner with the dignity. Tignan nyo po gagawin nila mamaya kay Congressman Barsaga. Kung yan po ay makatao yung gagawin nila.
society and in public service. Let us be more circumspect in our acts and words and be mindful of the high standards of propriety required of us as legislators. Maraming salamat, Mr. Speaker.
Napakabata nitong Abalos na to, no? Napakabata, ang natutunan niya pigilan yung karapatan ng mga kapwa niya congressman. Nabata din.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I now move to adopt the findings and recommendations contained in Committee Report Number 28 and pursuant to our rules, direct the Secretary General to read the title of the said measure and thereafter call the roll of members for nominal voting.
Anak ni Recto yung isa, di ba? Yung katabi ng babaeng nagsasalita.
Majority.
Mr. Speaker, may we recognize the Honorable Toby Chanco.
Honorable Toby Chanco is hereby recognized.
But before I speak, I think the Honorable Barsaga is standing up. So if he will have any manifestations, I will yield the floor to him.
Tignan nyo po binigay po ni Toby Chanco yung floor kay Kiko Barsaga. Okay, malinaw po yan
Mr. Speaker, may we recognize Honorable Kiko Barsaga.
Honorable Kiko Barsaga is hereby recognized.
Pakinggan nyo po, nirecognize po si Kiko Barsaga. Ibig sabihin, hindi po siya ng agaw ng mikropono, hindi po siya lumabag sa anumang batas dyan sa Kongreso. Nirecognize po siya nung speaker, nung tumatayong speaker. No? Kaya po, dapat, pag nire-recognize ka, pwede ka pong magsalita. Yan po yan, no? Diba? Okay, nirecognize ka, nasa iyo yung mikropono, dapat pakinggan ka ng mga kapwa mo congressman. Yan po yung sinasabi ninyong asal na makatao. Yan yung may dignidad. Tignan nyo po, panoorin nyo po kung anong gagawin itong mga makataong congressman, mga may dignidad na congressman at mga congressman na sumusunod sa kung ano pa man ang sinusunod nila.
Okay, testing.
Hindi po nagnakaw ng mikropono ulitin ko po, hindi po siya nagnakaw ng mikropono, siya po ay nirecognize nung speaker. Pinagsasalita po nila ang kapwa nila congressman. Pakinggan nyo.
I wholeheartedly accept the decision of the committee, but I maintain my stance that President Marcos must be held accountable for his crimes. Too many people have died and too much money was plundered from the Filipino people for us to stand down now.
Tignan nyo, natataranta na ibang mga congressman. Hindi na po nagbigay si Congressman Kiko ng pagkakataon. Bumanat na agad. Ulitin lang po natin yung parte na yan.
Floor is mine.
But Mr. Speaker, I have a point of order.
Okay, testing.
Ayan, ulitin lang po natin.
I wholeheartedly accept the decision of the committee, but I maintain my stance that President Marcos must be held accountable for his crimes. Too many people have died and too much money was plundered from the Filipino people for us to stand down now. Whatever punishment may fall upon me and others who stand against this president who has lost his constitutional mandate of serving the
Mr.
people is
Speaker,
inconsequential
point of
in
order.
relation to the amounts of lives
Mr. Speaker,
and
point of
futures
order.
that will be saved when
Majority
President
Leader.
Marcos leaves Malacanang. Took the death.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker. Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, may we recognize Chairman Abalos.
Mali yan. Nagsasalita pa yung congressman. Bakit ninyo aawatin? Kasasabi mo lang, Abalos, ikaw ang nagsasabi na yung ginawa ni Congressman Kiko ay hindi walang dignidad o kung ano pa man, no? Yung ginagawa mo ngayon, nagsasalita yung tao. Kahit hindi po tayo congressman, basta may nagsasalita, nararapat bang pigilin mo yung nagsasalita? Lalo na yan, nirecognize po nila yan.